guys, this is me. I look very like young and everything like that, but I'm actually like 12 years old. I'm like super duper sorry because I haven't posted for a very long time. I just logged out because I was kind of mad because I didn't get a lot of views and everything like that, and I thought that I was like gonna floop, you know. But then I logged in after like 9 months and I realized I have 150 subs. I was like, what the? So I didn't like know what to do. I wanted to do something for my subscribers. So I was gonna so now I'm going to make these vlogs and do like these pool all-nighter and everything like that. Just like a normal person. Like, not like, okay, no offense or anything like that. I didn't mean to be rude. Okay, just forget what I say. Not like a normal person, but like just gonna change my personality a little bit because before I was like a catch person, and now actually I'm not. So I'm gonna like post nothing like that. So yeah.